What are the different types of cough medications that are out there? We know brands like Mucinex, Mucinex DM, Robitussin, and Delsum, but what are the difference between all of them? The active ingredient in Mucinex and Robitussin is guaifenesin, which is a cough expectorant, which means it gets rid of any sort of mucus and chest congestion. The active ingredient in Robitussin DM and Mucinex DM are dextromethorphan and guaifenesin. Dextromethorphan helps to suppress our cough. You should be really cautious in taking any medication that contains dextromethorphan if you're taking an MAOI. Delsum also contains dextromethorphan. However, it contains 30 milligrams versus 20 milligrams, which is in Robitussin DM. So thank you for watching, and remember, get counsel.